Hi everyone. In today's session, we will see how to export Java code or C# code from Selenium IDE against any scenario. Okay, so let's launch Chrome browser. Let's launch Selenium IDE from here. Right now, my Selenium IDE is totally blank. Let's create one new project. Okay, name as automation testing. Click on OK. Okay, so let me add one new test case here. Test case 1. Okay, so test case is empty now. Have a look. So let me record one session in this test case. Okay, to record that I have to click on recording button. Let me click on that recording button. Okay, now I will enter base URL google.com, start recording. Okay, let me search Wikipedia and click on this link. Guys, and we will assert that title of Wikipedia as Wikipedia-Wikipedia. Okay, that we already discussed in last sessions. Click on assert, click on title. Okay, so we are done with the session recording. Let's close the browser. Let's stop the recording. Okay, so guys, we have recorded the session for test case 1. Now these commands are recorded in Selenium IDE only. Okay, let's suppose you are working in Webdriver project, okay, in which you have 1,000 number of test cases, and that you have to write Java code or C# code to implement all the Webdriver commands. Let's suppose in Webdriver you want to automate the scenario that we just covered in the Selenium IDE example. We launch Google on Chrome browser, and then we search Wikipedia, and from search results we click on first link, that is Wikipedia, and verify that title of the page is Wikipedia-Wikipedia. Okay, so all these commands are recorded in Selenium IDE. Now if you, let's suppose some people work in Eclipse IDE with the WebDriver project implementation with Cucumber or some other tool. Okay, so in that case they need Java code for this scenario. Okay, with the help of Selenium IDE you can directly get the Java code that particular script. Okay, to do that, just right click on this test case 1, and there is one option, export. Click on export, and from here you can convert your Selenium IDE script code to these languages: C# Unit, C# Xunit, Java JUnit. Okay, JavaScript Mocha is a unit testing JS framework. Okay, Python PyTest, Ruby RSpec. Okay, so you can convert your IDE script recorded session to these languages. Okay, let's convert it to Java JUnit. Click on export, and select the location as downloads. Okay, click on new folder, click on expose, and save here. So guys, let's launch this Java test case 1.java. So as soon as you click on export, it will be saved as .java class. Okay, let me launch this because we need to open this. Let me move to download folder, and this is export folder. Okay, so this is the exported Java file. Let me open this file with notepad file. Okay, so guys, have a look. So all the commands, driver commands, we performed on the browser: driver.get google.com, driver.manage set size, we are maximizing the window. Okay, driver.find element, clicking on search button. Okay, driver.find element dot send keys Wikipedia. This is search box on Google page. Okay, and then we pressed enter key, so enter key is recorded here. Okay, then we clicked on Wikipedia first Google search results link. Okay, and then we were performed a session. Okay, so this is the session code. We are certain that we are getting a title of that web page and verifying that title is Wikipedia-Wikipedia. Okay, and then we are closing the browser. So have a look. If you have to write the WebDriver code for this script that we recorded with the Selenium IDE, okay, you can get the full script here. Have a look. This is full code for setting up driver here and uh, launching browser, okay, and clicking on buttons, entering text, okay, and then validating title is present or not, okay. So in this way you can export your code to Java language, or you can say WebDriver script, okay. Now let's suppose we want to export code to C# language, okay. To export in C#, just click on again right click on this test case and click on export. Select here C#, Exeunt or Unit. As we know that in C# library we have multiple unit test providers like Unit, Exeunt and MS test. Okay, so Selenium IDE is providing us two unit frameworks, Exeunt and Unit. Okay, you can select anyone. Like if I want to export my code to C# Unit, okay, click on export and I will save it as in the same folder. Okay, click on save. Now let me switch to exports mode. Now C# code is saved with the extension of .cs. Let me open this file. Have a look. So now we are getting the C# commands. Okay, these are C# commands. So we can get the script using Selenium IDE, and we can just copy and paste this script in WebDriver project. Okay, in next session we will see how to implement a WebDriver project and use the script. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you guys.